Welcome back, YouTube Mater. So you can't wait to get your first 100 subscribers and doubts start getting bigger than motivation? We have the answer. There is an effective strategy you can use right now to grow your audience and convince them to subscribe to your YouTube automation channel. If you implement all the tips we'll give you in this video, there is no reason for you not to gather your first 100 subscribers very soon. So pay attention. This video is going to be a game changer for you, YouTube Mater. We call it Replicate the Innovative. Easy, no? Now let's dive into this strategy. Start by making research in your niche, a market analysis. And we're sure you already have some channels in mind, but be selective. Pick 2 to 4 channels, because clarity and being able to narrow down your research material are keys when it comes to studies. Once you find them, ask yourself some questions. Why did I choose to watch this video? How long did I watch it and why? Why did I decide to subscribe to this channel? The answers will give you all the actions you need to get traction on the platform. But does it mean that you'll replicate the exact same ideas, thumbnails, titles, and tags? Not really. Chances are the channels that inspire you are there for a very long time. At the beginning of your YouTube automation journey, you may not have the budget or the knowledge to reach this quality level. What should you do instead? Use what Ali Abdel, a YouTuber we really like, calls your unfair advantage. Every one of us has a skill, a professional, or a personal experience we can take advantage of to push our business forward. We will explain. You could have script writing skills due to the millions of YouTube videos you watch daily. Use them. You could outsource the other tasks and focus on what you're good at. You may be able to recognize what makes a thumbnail clickable. Try to go even beyond the design used in your favorite channel's thumbnails. If you want your Faceless channel to be successful, you must be aware of your strengths and weaknesses. When you realize what you're good at, you can then innovate in a strategic way. The 100 viewers you want to reach are not looking for another channel that's identical to the ones they're already subscribed to. They want variety, originality, a new point of view. And if you feel, like a YouTube Mater, not confident enough to bring up your own touch, don't stand in your own way. You absolutely can. You need to keep in mind that channels with big numbers of subscribers have a team behind them. And while you can't compete in the resources area, you can set up your Faceless channel for success by replicating and innovating in your niche. So make it short. This is the plan you need to apply. Pick one channel you like in your niche. Select the 3 videos that catch your attention. Write down on a piece of paper why you decided to click in the first place by answering the questions we gave you below. From the elements you gathered, come up with a video that replicates and then innovates in the title, thumbnail, editing, or in content creation itself. Do it with other videos on the same channel. Do it with the other channels you already selected. If you follow this strategy, you'll have your first 100 subscribers and maybe more. And if you're still here, you deserve another strategy. This is our favorite one, the one we think has a lot to do with YouTubemation continually. You'll find it right here. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up.